close my eyes. Every time I close my eyes.
Today is January 11, 2026, and I'm moving out from the house that I've been in for like 6 months. This is my office slash my wardrobe. I'm leaving this place to go live on my own. If you don't know, I've been living with my friends for the past 6 months. And before that, I was living with my parents, but now's the time to live on my own, and we'll let you know how that experience turns out, and we'll let you know why I'm moving out in the next parts of the video. So, see ya.
Selam boys.
Fine.
مش مستعد قبل ما كيف هذا؟ No, you're stuck.
Yeah, bye guys. Ma Feroz عم تغني Jump. All of the chaos. And me. And you.
So, ladies and gents, as you can see, I just moved out, and there's bubble wrap everywhere. Let's see, everything's messy. I'll show you a tour of the apartment in a bit, but yeah, why did I move out? That's the big question I think everyone is waiting to hear. So first of all, in the past 6 months, I've been living with my friends, and before that, I was living with my parents. Like the first time I moved out with my friends, I felt better in terms of business, like more productive. You know, I was more responsible about my own life, getting my own stuff, being responsible for everything, basically. But still, I was with my friends, and I wasn't completely alone. We were working a lot. It was a super productive environment to be in. We had a lot of fun. It was really like a good time spent with friends. Right now, you can feel the emotion in my voice. Yeah, I did shed a few tears, before leaving my friend's house because of the memories we made there. And I did the same thing when I left my parents' house, But that's a good thing. Like, you're always, if you want to level up, there's always those negative emotions that come, but they come pretty quickly, and then you move on pretty fast, and you realize that the long-term plan is worth it. Like, the reason for why you're doing all of this and taking those maybe big risks and making those big changes in your life actually pay off and are really useful, are really powerful. The same thing happened right now. Really nice memories with friends, but the reasons for why I moved out are to be even more productive, to see what it's like to build my own belief systems on my own without needing anyone, to work as much as I can, to experience perhaps having a consistent train of thought. For example, at my parents' house and at the house with my friends, I would do a lot of work in the morning, like 4, 5, 6, even 7 hours of consistent deep work. But then after that, during lunch, I would meet with my friends inside of the house, or I would get distracted with something with them, and I would go to the gym with them or do something like that, and I would lose my train of thought of what I was thinking when I was doing this deep work. But I want to try and experiment having those train of thoughts not being detached throughout the entire day or even days consecutively. I always see this common point in geniuses who invent amazing things, and most of them lock themselves in and work on the thing, on building something great. And I wanna try that. I wanna try locking in like a monk. Place is beautiful here. It's all greenery, it's super quiet. It supports this monk feeling, the feeling of quietness and focus, and being away from all of the noise around me. I took the apartment for 6 months, and we'll see if I will renew it here. I think it should be a really good experience. It feels good right now. I'm alone. There literally is no distractions, and I think moving forward, my plan would be to work hard all week, be on my own, and then maybe during the weekends, maybe for a night or 2 nights, I could invite friends, invite family, or maybe go out with them, and then go back to my strict routines that are optimized to maximize focus. Because this year, my goals are big. I want to restructure the business in a way such that it can work without me for maybe weeks or a month, let's say. And it doesn't depend on me, because right now all of the client communications and everything depends on me in the business. So that's one of the biggest goals. The financial goal would be to make $200,000 per month. And to do that, I need to have plenty of clients. To get those plenty of clients, I need to restructure the way my service is delivered, my software is built. This would take maybe a few months to finish. And then it would require a good amount of marketing, maybe running paid ads and stuff like that, to get those clients and onboard them on the software and provide them with as much value as possible, so that I make their business better. They pay me, they make more money, and it continues that way. So yeah, super grateful for everything, really. I'm entering my 4th year in entrepreneurship, and I can feel things have been going really, really fast. Time has been flying super quickly, and I'm so excited for this year. I want to bring all the visions that I have in my mind of building great things, and maybe I can devote even more attention to my YouTube channel, so that I document more stuff, I provide more value, and yeah, just keep building. Building is one of my favorite words, and it's something that gives me plenty of fulfillment, and I hope it gives you this type of fulfillment as well. So cheers.
Please come in, guys. Come in and welcome to the new apartment that I just moved out to by myself. Look at that. I don't know if you can take a deep breath from the screens, but yeah, that's what I wake up to every single day. We don't got much time to look at it, but I'll try and make this fast. So let's start with a very nice place that I use on a daily basis to meditate, journal, reflect. This is the table that I use to put my iPad here, journal, and do all of those activities that allow me to grow spiritually and mentally as well. As you can see, this is the main place where I invite some guests, and I also work when I'm alone, which is 90% of the time. This is my desk setup. You can see I'm building a financial tracker. I've been wanting one forever now. I was using Google Sheets, but yeah, that's the new app. It's a sneak peek. Let me know if you want something like that. And don't worry, my balance isn't negative. It's just an example account. And if you want a tour on my desk setup, my office, and everything of that sort, I can have a detailed one soon. But yeah, this is where I work and hustle most of the day. And as you can see so far, all of this, like the environment, the apartment, everything's optimized for maximum productivity and focus. That's pretty much it for here. Now let's go to the kitchen. Pretty cute, pretty simple. I got my espresso machine, the food scale, because I'm gonna be a bit more strict on my diet this year to drop down some body fat. I got this closet here, have all types of teas and coffee. You can take a look at my fridge as well. I usually like to keep it simple and just have a few salads with like pure meat, and of course, most importantly, the sparkling waters. This season of my life is the season of optimization, of having lesser things. And you can see this jar here contains the espresso shots. That's all I need to fuel my day. If you know, I do intermittent fasting, so I don't eat for the majority of the day. Then I eat at around 3 or 4 p.m. and then around 8 p.m. have my fruits here. Now, this is the end of the tour, ladies and gents. So we have a very small house. You can see, is this where it ends? Or does it? No, there is the invisible door. Hey, so this is a staircase. It leads somewhere, but I'll keep it a secret for now. I'll leave it up to your assumptions as well. This is usually the guest room. I mainly use it for charging all of my devices here. This is my gym flask. These are for all the laundry. And here I have the essential stuff. Finally, we have my bedroom. This is not my style at all, if you've realized. But they just came in with the apartment since it's furnished, so I'm just using them. And I don't spend any time in this room except for the time that I sleep in it. I wanted to show you something, which is my pre-sleep setup. There are no electronic devices here, nothing that can distract me. There's only my Kindle that I use to read before I sleep. And there is this book called The Daily Stoic. It has like lessons, daily lessons that I go through to remind myself of the philosophical principles that I need to live a peaceful, successful, and abundant life, I can say. And yeah, other books that I like to read. And usually I turn on this lamp. I turn off all the lights at home and sit here, read for like 15-20 minutes until I fall asleep. And I found this to be really nice because all the ideas and the lessons that I learned through reading get saved in my memory, and as I go to sleep, those thoughts circulate in my mind and kind of get amplified. So it's like me reprogramming my subconscious by reading those things and then going to sleep. When I turn this off, everything becomes pitch black. And I've been here for a few days and I can tell you my sleep performance has skyrocketed because my room is pitch black. There is no noise whatsoever. And I have my best quality of sleep here so that I get energized and refuel for the coming day. So, yep, this is all. I have my clothes and stuff here. This is the apartment that I moved out to on my own to maximize my focus, my productivity, and to live in peace, experiment what it's like to live alone. So, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.